All right, here's a look at this 6-pack of wooden hangers. Now this is going to be the walnut color. I really like this color because it looks really premium, especially if you're going to be utilizing this for things like your suits. You got one here on this suit jacket, and you can see it looks really nice up against the gray. Also, if you're going to have your pants displayed, you can see you're able to see pretty much the whole hanger except for that middle piece right there. So it's really going to improve the look of your closet. So I really like the way that these look and just the design that they built these. It also will have this 360 swivel up here at the top, which makes it nice. Then down here, this is one of my favorite features. So you can see this is made out of rubber, and it's got these ridges in here. So if you've got a pair of slick pants on here, so something like a suit pant, it's not going to fall down. If you've ever used a suit hanger like this, a lot of times they're just going to have like wood right here. And if you wiggle it, your suit pants are going to slide right off. So it's really annoying. And having this rubber piece on here really solves that problem. Now, our old hangers that we used to use are just these flimsy plastic ones, which obviously suck. So having it on something heavy like this is nice because I don't have to worry about snapping one of these plastic hangers, and it just looks way better on here, obviously. So if I move this around, it's nice and sturdy. The quality of these are really nice. It's got a really thick piece of wood on here, and I never have to worry about anything getting broken. Now, you could also use this on smaller pieces of clothes as well. So you can see this is a women's XS, so extra small jacket. Now this is great because even though this is a larger suit hanger that's going to work well for larger suits, it also works for smaller stuff as well. We've got, even over here, I've got a t-shirt on here just to kind of show you that you could even utilize it with regular t-shirts. So I love the versatility of these. I love that you can use this for pretty much anything. And obviously it's going to be a huge upgrade in your closet, having everything look like this compared to looking like this. So if you're looking to upgrade your closet like we are, I would definitely recommend picking up a set of these.